Assalamu alaikum. Incontinence of urine. Incontinence of urine is a condition in which the person cannot hold his urine and the urine passes without the knowledge of the patient, maybe male or female. Incidence: urinary incontinence occurs in 5% men and 20% women. Over 40% of women over the age of 60 years and 50% elderly experience regular episodes of urinary incontinence. Causes: abnormal CNS functions such as dementia, depression or psychological disorder or neurogenic bladder. Abnormal bladder capacity, example in fibrosis such as in case of tuberculosis. Abnormal bladder sensation or abnormal function of the detrusor muscle. Abnormal sphincter mechanism or constipation. Loss of sexual esteem and socially acceptable place to void urine. Infections such as cystitis or UTI. Surgery such as pelvic surgery. Congenital epispadiasis, ectopia vasica, neoplasms such as carcinoma cervix or carcinoma prostate. All these are the causes where we may find incontinence of the urine. Investigations: history, general physical examination. The patient would give the history, since when is this problem, and on examination we can see whether there is any problem with the urethra or the bladder or anywhere else. Then urine DR and culture and sensitivity shows red cells, pus cells, and culture shows CS shows the infection and the bacteria which are present and the antibiotic to which it is sensitive. Blood count, total leukocyte count would show us the infection. Then total DLC, differential leukocyte count, polys, lymphos, eosinophils, monocytes, whether the infection is acute or chronic. Acute may polys or chronic may lymphos, allergic may eosinophils. Then UCE, urea, creatinine and electrolytes. In case the kidney is affected, then the urea and creatinine would be high, otherwise not. If there is dehydration, urea creatinine would be high. And electrolyte, sodium, potassium chloride and bicarbonate. Radiology includes X-ray KUB, X-ray IVP. If we have to see the function of the kidney, we do the IVU or IVP. Then the ultrasound KUB, this is the first investigation which is done. And urodynamic testing, as blood flow obstruction is associated with increased voiding pressure, which is 90 centimeters of water. Common causes of incontinence in male is post-prostatectomy, and in females it is stress incontinence, and in child is nocturnal enuresis. Treatment is management by pelvic exercises, toilet training especially in children, pelvic exercises in females, and anticholinergic drugs such as adrenergic drugs. Then cystoplasty for fibrosis of the bladder, clam enter cystoplasty, increasing bladder capacity. Then open colpo suspension for stress incontinence. Then intermittent catheterization and condom catheterization in males. Then S3 block or sacral nerve block or denervation of the bladder. So all these are different treatment depending on the condition of the patient and his choice of the surgeon. Thank you. Reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bell and Love, 26th edition.